Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Inspired with Linsky, where you learn how to make passive income online and how you can scale up in the crypto ecosystem. That is how you can find relevance in the crypto ecosystem. So if you want to learn anything that relates around crypto ecosystem, technical analysis, knowing the crypto that will pump and evaluating cryptocurrency, I guess this is the best channel where you can get it. Although the channel is new, but your support is very important so that you can get value from what I'm teaching now. So if you're a new subscriber on this channel, this is Inspire World. Please don't see this video today without subscribing. Turn on the notification bell so that I can get updates anytime I update on this channel. I update on this channel every week, and everything you see at every point I upload is what I talk about on this channel. So if everything you need around making passive income online and scaling up in the ecosystem, then you are in the right place. And if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for coming. And you can see on my screen, you can see something around coin market cap. You can see something around tron cap, tron coin. So what do I want to discuss today? I want to tell you about this cryptocurrency that we pump, that is next cryptocurrency, next crypto coin to pump. So if you're here, you can let's write and let's discuss how to know all this thing. But disclaimer, please, this is not financial advice. This is just to create an awareness about this cryptocurrency so you can do where to do your analysis very well and put them on your watch list. But I tell you, everything I discuss with you is 60 to 70% truth about the cryptocurrency, so you can put it on your watch list and watch how this crypto will pump. All right guys, without ado, let's see about this coin. So what are the coins I'm discussing with you guys today? I'm discussing just two coins with you. I'm talking about Tron coin and I'm talking about BONK Coin. These are the two coin I'm discussing with you. And if you want to know things to consider before things to consider to know if a crypto will pump, you can check the link. You can check the description. I have the link there where you can see video on that. So how do you know Tron is going to pump? And the reason why I want you to understand that why Tron will pump is the first thing is look at the percentage increase over the time. Tron has really done well with percentage increase. And if you check the history, this is the all-time high of this chart. If you check the history of this chart, you discover that Tron has a flat impulsive move here before it gained momentum around 2021, and since the momentum, Tron has been having a bullish run since then. I did analysis on this Tron over time and I discovered that this coin is a coin that has been doing well over time and it has a future prospect. So this is the number one thing you look at. Is check the charts. You look at, if you can see the percentage increase, the supply, you see that they are really doing well. The market capital is 14.2 billion. That is massive. You see the volume in 24 hours. The volume in 24 hours 333.9 million. It's a massive coin. This is a coin that has potential. When I mean potential, deep potential. So let's see the social media and see what they are talking about. So if you don't know how to do technical analysis, these are the things you just look at and see the prospect of this coin and see the possibility of investing in this particular coin. Now Tron is doing well. See the Tron has 1.6 million followers on their social media space. So why are they doing well? What are the things? What are the things that we're supposed to look into to know that this coin is going to pump and we still continue to experience the bullish move? Now let's see what is going on. They say music. Okay, this is a white paper. Let's see, they said S community. Okay, this one was posted 5 hours ago. Community voting period has started. Read through some of the top submission and choose for yourself who get the advance vote. Okay, they are doing community votes. You see, this community vote now is an avenue for people to start investing in the coin. So the Tron team is excited to be a gold sponsor of BBW 2024. Join us at the innovation stage of hearing. Now over time, Okay, see the another thing. Tron now. Tron now Binance. I think Tron now is on Binance gold sponsor, Binance blockchain. Now if you check down, as at the last time when I checked on Tron, Tron has been sponsoring one or two events like that. So this has really pushed investors, and for them to sponsor events, sponsor shows, you should know that many persons will be aware of this coin and they are investing in it. So if you go down, you're going to see a lot of things about. Now they say our users in Argentina increase shopping with USDT on the Tron network by, imagine, 46.75%. That is massive. You see the growth over time. You see the growth. So Tron is a coin that I'm telling you, if you invest in coin or you keep it in your watch list and watch coin, you will never regret investing in coin. Tron Network is live token pocket Chrome extension. You can now seemingly create and import your Tron wallet. So Tron is really doing well. If you check their social media page, they are sponsoring, they have a lot of things they are doing on their ecosystem. So you can put on your watch list. It's a coin that has a prospect, the percentage increase. Now let's check the technical analysis of Tron to see what's up in the ecosystem. Let's see. Let's see what's going on there. So let's see what's going on here in the technical analysis of Tron. Okay, I guess this is it. Let's see. Let's see what's going on there. Okay, no, this. Okay, now Tron is having so much massive view that if you check their RSI value is tweaking towards the hoverboard, meaning that the lot of persons are holding the coin, and as it stands, the coin is tweaking towards overbought, and probably many persons will be selling off in the market. But if you check the momentum is on the buy side. People are moving in the exponential moving average. Check the exponential moving average is on the buy side. Everybody are still buying this coin. So what are you still waiting for? This is an avenue to milk out of what is happening in Tron ecosystem. Many persons are investing in Tron. Tron has been doing well for the past. Let's check the chart. Tron has been doing well for the past. This is September. This is August. This is August now. Tron has been doing well since August. Since August till now. It has been doing massively well. So is a coin that has prospect, and you can put it in your watch list. Is an Ethereum ecosystem coin, but I think they have affiliate. They have affiliate with Binance, so you can do your research on Tron, do your analysis, your due diligence, and put it on your watch list. Mind you, this is not a financial advice. I'm just trying to create awareness for you guys to look at Tron and see how Tron is really doing well in the market. So the next one I'm looking at is BONK. You can as well put BONK in your watch list. If you check the chart here, you see that BONK is really doing well here. Over time, it has had series of higher highs and higher lows, maintaining an all-time high and all-time lows. And if it's the all-time low is not really deep from when they started. They started as a flat coin, and all of a sudden they begin to have this massive move that really positioned them in the ecosystem. Now Bonk is really doing well in the ecosystem. Let's check their technical analysis before we check their social media page to know what is going on in the ecosystem. Bonk is doing well. You can as well put Bonk in your watch list and see how you can invest in it. Let's see what's going on in Bonk ecosystem and see how far they are going. Okay, now bonk is a coin that is growing. If you check the RSI value is still on the it's not even tweaking towards the oversold, it's still on the neutral ground. It's on the neutral ground. So even the orders, the 10 exponential moving average orders are selling off. But should that move you from saying you want to buy the coin or sell, or if you're holding it you want to sell off, or if you want to invest in it? No, let's check the big orders. The big orders who are the 200 are what the 200, the exponential moving average 200 are holding, while the simple moving average 200 are selling. Now what's going on in this coin? Let's check their chart and see. Okay, the chart is loading. Let's see their chart and see what's up with the chart again, to let us, so that we can know why the exponential moving average are selling off and some are holding. Now if you check, you see some series of impulsive highs and low on the chart here. You see it, so meaning that a lot of persons are buying while some are selling. So meaning that in the ecosystem, there are a lot of persons that are moving. There are a lot of transactions going on in the ecosystem. Many persons, not everyone is holding this coin. Many are buying while many are selling. So why is bonk doing well, and why should you invest in bonk? Let's see what is happening. These are the things you should just look out for when you want to look at coin that has prospect that you can invest in and has a sustainable prospect. So let's check their Twitter account to know what is going on. Why is the coin gaining momentum as at this time in the ecosystem? All right, guys, let's delve down to know what is going on in bonk ecosystem. The dog is excited to work with. Okay, excited to share. We've raised a 3.5 million seed round, led by, okay, to bring in, okay, let's see. I think, let's see what's going on. Come to bonk booth. Okay, let's still scroll down to know what the news. Okay, two ways to get and take a selfie of good icons and post it and tag Bonk and user, bid a lucky poll auction. That is not live auction will run on T5. You can see what's going on now. I think they are doing competition. A lot of participants are coming in. I think that's the leverage for people that are coming into the ecosystem. And send happy Halloween and see and some bonks to friends and loved ones in the year. Okay, I think let's still scroll down to know what is going on. Okay, Boo ready to make Bunny Elephant one of the friends and animation. Okay, let's still go down. Boo making Elephant into an animation star. Okay, let's see. They say earn some bunk for learning on Robin Hood. Now this is a way people invest. This is the way people come into the ecosystem now. So people come into the ecosystem via learning. So if you learn there, you earn some bunk tokens. Definitely, a lot of persons want to learn because they want to earn bunk token. If you say, they say European customer can explore the Robinhood crypto learn and earn program to earn crypto for completing short puzzles. You can see what is going on now. So a lot of persons will be doing all these things because they need the token. They need the token to convert into USD. You get, so there are a lot. These are the things that are happening in the ecosystem. Even beyond that, I think more things are still happening. Winners of today's lucky poll. You understand? So see now, so there are a lot of things that is going on in the ecosystem. I think they are leveraging more on competitions. So these are the things you should look out for. Check what is happening in the trading view technical analysis and see what is happening on their social media. Via all this, you will definitely know that Bonk has prospect for growth. So you can look at Bonk and Tron and see if you can put it on your watch list and watch how this coin do over time. But I can be rest assured with what is going on in Tron. Tron is really sponsoring shows that is really positioning them outside there for people to invest in them. They are trying to sponsor show to create awareness, as well as Bonk bringing people to earn token, bringing people to do puzzle to answer quiz to earn token. So once people begin to do all this, the ecosystem begins to grow. It begins to go and attract more investors. So that is that about today's video. Crypto and next crypto currency to pump. So in case you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. It is very important you subscribe if you want to make relevance in the ecosystem, and consistently watch look out for my technical analysis where I talk about smart money concepts and some other strategy that you can use to analyze coin in the market. And if you are interested in making passive income online, I'm here to share with you things you can do that can actually give you leverage to make passive income online. So if you've not subscribed, subscribe, please subscribe. And you can as well share this video with your friend who are interested in crypto ecosystem, that are really looking for coin that can pump or coin they can invest in. I do this every week, so stay tuned to my channel, subscribe, share the video with your friend, give this video a thumbs up. All right, till next week when I see you on the same channel, guys, I love you. Thank you for seeing the video. Bye.